The question says, solve for s in this equation. So we have the absolute value of x plus 1 divide x minus 2 equals to is a rational expression. So solution, okay, so for x plus 1 divides x minus 2 equals to, okay, so we have two sets of equation. So the first thing we do, we take this as positive, okay, so we take this as positive, okay, so here we have x plus 1 divides x minus 2 equals to, and in the second case we take this as negative, so we have this as x plus 1 divides x minus 2 equals minus 2. Okay, so let's take this from here. So for x plus 1 divides x minus 2 equals 2. So we cross multiply. So we have x plus 1. When we multiply with this and we take this with this, we have 2 into x minus 2. So for x plus 1, so when we distribute this with this, we have this as 2x minus 4. Okay, so at this point, we collect the like times. So when we do that, we have x minus 2x, okay, equals minus 4 minus 1. So for this, we have this to be minus x equals minus 5. Okay, so we have negative 1 as the coefficient of x. So x equals 5, which is the first solution. Okay, so in the second case, when x plus 1 divides x minus 2 equals minus 2, okay, so we cross multiply. We have x plus 1 equals minus 2 into x minus 2. So we distribute this with 1. We have this as x plus 1. We distribute this with minus 2. We have this as minus 2x plus 4. Okay, we collect the like times. We have x plus 2x equals 4 minus 1. So here we have this to be 3x equals, for 4 minus 1, we have to be 3. Okay, so the value of x is 1. So we can check the validity of our answer when x equals 5 and when x equals 1. Okay, so let us come back here. So when we take the absolute value of x plus 1 and x minus 2, okay, so when we solve this, so for x to be 5, we have 5 plus 1 divides 5 minus 2, okay, so when we work with this, 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 minus 2 is 3, so here we have 2, so the absolute value of this, okay, results to 2, okay. So when we look at this, when x is 1, so when we take back 1, we have 1 plus 1 in this equation. Sorry, in this, we have 1 plus 1 divides 1 minus 2, okay. So for 1 plus 1 is 2, for 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So when we solve this, we have this to be minus 2. So when we take the absolute value of this, we have it to be 2. And to solve for s in this equation, so we take the absolute value of 2x minus 3, okay, equals 5 minus x. So how do we work with this solution? So for taking the absolute value of 2x minus 3 equals 5 minus x, okay, so let us take this as positive, and when we do that, we have 2x minus 3 equals 5 minus x, okay, which is the first case. Let's say this case 1, and the second case, we have it to be 2x minus 3, so let's equate this to negative 5 minus x. So let's solve this. For this, we have this to be 2x. When we collect like signs, we bring back our x equals 5, okay, plus 3. So for 2x plus x, we have it to be 3x. For 5 plus 3, we have it to be 8. So the value of ax is 8 over 3, the first case. And here we have this to be 2x minus 3 equals, when we open up with a negative, we have minus 5 plus x. So here we have this as 2x. When we collect the like signs, we have this to be minus x. So we have x to be minus 5 plus 3. So here is x. So minus 5 plus 3 gives minus 2. So these are the two solutions for x. Question C. Solve for s in this equation. So we have s squared minus 4. So this line of absolute value equals 5. So how do we do? Solution. Okay. So for s squared minus 4 equals 5. So we equate this, we write the first equation to be s squared minus 4 equals 5. So when we do that, we collect the like signs. So we have s squared equals 5 plus 4 by adding 4 to both sides. So we have s squared equals 9. So when we take the square of both sides, the square root of both sides as a result of these two, so we have this to be plus or minus square root of 9. So x can either be 3, positive 3, or minus 3. So for s in this equation, okay, so we take the absolute value of x plus 5 equals 3. So how do we go about this solution? Okay, so for the absolute value of x plus 5 equals 3, so we want to know the distance between these from 0. So how do we solve this? So here we equate this to be positive 3. We equate this to be negative 3. So here we have x plus 5 equals 3, which is a positive one. So to get 3, we subtract, to get x, we subtract 5 from both sides. So we have 3 minus 5. Okay, so when we do that, we have x to be minus 2. So which is the first solution. So we equate this to negative 3 as well. So we have x plus 5 equals minus 3. So we take 5 from both sides. So we have x equals minus 3 minus 5. So x equals minus 8. So either of these two solutions will be the best answer for x. So for x to be minus 2 plus 5, we have 3, which is the absolute value of 3 is 3, and we take the absolute value of that. And for x to be minus 8, we have this to be minus 3. Taking the absolute value of minus 3, we have 3. Thank you very much.